Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix formula errors in Monday.com. Many users face problems where formulas show errors, wrong values, or stop calculating completely. First, let's understand the reason. Most formula errors happen due to wrong column types, incorrect column names, syntax mistakes, or empty cells. Once you know the cause, fixing it becomes simple. Step 1. Check column types. Formulas only work with supported columns like numbers, status, date, timeline, and formula. Using text or unsupported columns can cause errors. Step 2, confirm column names, formula columns. Rely on exact column names. If a column is renamed or removed, the formula must be updated. Step 3, review formula syntax. Missing brackets, commas, or operators often break formulas. Carefully check parentheses and operators. Step 4, handle empty values. Empty cells can return incorrect results. Add conditions to manage blank data properly. Step 5, verify status labels. Formulas using status columns depend on exact label names. Even small spelling changes can affect results. Step 6, test with simple data. Use basic numbers to confirm the logic works. Once correct, apply it to real data. Finally, refresh and save the board. Sometimes formula issues clear after saving or refreshing. This removes temporary glitches. So yeah, fixing formula errors in Monday.com is about correct column types, accurate names, clean syntax, handling empty values, and testing logic. Follow these steps and your formulas will work smoothly. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.